What's up guys, how you doing? It's your girl Ivy and I'm back again with another video for you guys. And if you're new to my channel, karibu sana, kindly subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So I will be showing you on how to make your own homemade kebab, so stay tuned. So while making this yummy kebab, all we need is minced meat. We need one large finely cut or diced onion, breadcrumbs, we'll need oil, soy sauce, and we'll need oregano, garlic and ginger, both crushed, and the paste. We'll need one small cube. Then we're going to also make the fluffy batter. So we'll need corn flour, wheat flour, 1 egg, and water. And then to also add on the mixture of making the kebab, we'll also need or have parsley or coriander, amadania. Then we'll need 2 eggs, black pepper, and salt, and a bowl and a whisk. So let's get to it, guys.